Hey guys, we're back here programming another key for a 2012 Toyota RAV4. Again, today we are using the Autel programmer, and what you want to do first is get everything hooked up, do the manual selection, make sure that the flashers are on as well, just to wake up the vehicle. And now you just scroll through. It is a Toyota RAV4 2012. It is a smart key. Now, this process does work for OEM keys and aftermarket keys, so no problem. Now, what you want to do is you want to scan the vehicle, do the emo scan, and it's going to pop up. It's going to have the VIN. It's going to have how many keys there. Now, in this situation, the customer lost their keys. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the emo reading, and we're going to go to Smart Box Reset. Now, what that does is it's actually a 16-minute process, and it erases all of the keys in the system, which is great in this situation because the customer lost their keys. Now, if the customer did not lose their keys, you do not have to do this. You just have to go to add a key because you should have a key already there with you. Now, the process, like I said, it takes 16 minutes. Now, we're going to go through it and come back. Now, one thing I did realize is that doing this process, if a customer needs 2 keys, you can only program 2 keys if you have 2 OEM or Toyota aftermarket keys. If you do a universal key, you can only program 1. Now, if that's a problem, you only have 1 key, that's okay. If it's not a problem, do 2. Other than that, this is the process on how to erase all the keys and program them back. Now, after you see the success screen pop up, what you want to do is back out of all of the screens, and you want to rescan the car just to make sure that the key does work. Once you rescan the car and you see there it says remotes and it says 1, you're good to go. Like and subscribe.